Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We are at Southeastern University in Lakeland, Florida. That's right smack in the middle of the state. This is a liberal arts college that used to actually be a Bible college. And they have continued to expand and grow, which I guess expand and grow means the same thing. So we'll still use both words. We take care of their trees over here. We don't actually take care of the trees. We take care of installing trees and removing trees when they need them. This is a dead Canary Island Date Palm, dead because of Texas Phoenix palm decline. We're taking it out and putting that tree, which is a big triple trunk ribbon palm, we're putting it in its place. We'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Have a great day.